U.S. School Chemistry Fundamentals Quiz 16. Question 1. Which quantum number determines the shape of an orbital? A. Principal quantum number. B. Azimuthal quantum number. C. Magnetic quantum number. D. Spin quantum number. Answer B. Azimuthal quantum number. Question 2. What is the coordination number in a face-centered cubic structure? A. 4. B. 6. C. 8. D. 12. Answer D. 12. Question 3. Which of the following exhibits geometrical isomerism? A. CH3, CH3, B. CH2, CH3, C. CH3, CH2, D. CH4. Answer A. CH3, CH3. Question 4. The IUPAC name of CH3, CH2, COCH3 is A. Butan 2-one, B. Butan 1-one, C. Pentan 2-one, D. Pentan 3-one. Answer A. Butan 2-one. Question 5. Which catalyst is used in Friedel-Crafts acylation? A. FeCl3, B. AlCl3, C. Ni, D. Pt. Answer B. AlCl3. Question 6. The hybridization in NiCN4 is A. sp3, B. D2sp3, C. sp3d, D. dsp2. Answer D. dsp2. Question 7. Which of the following is a condensation polymer? A. Polyethylene, B. Nylon 6,6, C. Polyvinyl chloride, D. Teflon. Answer B. Nylon 6,6. Question 8. The number of pi bonds in benzene is A. 3, B. 6, C. 9, D. 12. Answer A. 3. Question 9. In the electrolysis of brine, what is formed at the cathode? A. Chlorine, B. Hydrogen, C. Sodium, D. Oxygen. Answer B. Hydrogen. Question 10. Which of the following is a Lewis acid? A. NH3, B. H2O, C. BF3, D. CH4. Answer C. BF3. If you got this 10 right too, you're a chemistry genius. Don't forget to subscribe and comment for more challenges.